if you want to win big, you cannot be shy. This comes down to the comfort zone thing as well. If something happens, you need to be able to take that opportunity. You need to be able to make that move. In shy, I'll put it back to back into anxiety.
Oh God.
You're having all kinds of anxiety over things. Like, we all have that. Oh my God. Tremendous amounts of anxiety. When you post a picture on the internet, like, ugh, worried about people gonna say about all kinds of stuff. You cannot let that hold you back. You can't be shy. You probably heard this before, right? What's the worst thing that can happen if you walk up to a girl that you think's pretty? She says no. She laughs at you. I mean, doubtful she's gonna laugh at you, and you don't even know she's gonna say no. Who cares? The things that you always think that is gonna be something big, that's a problem, that's in your head, that you say, this is gonna happen if I do this, I'm scared. That thing's not even reality. Your brain is telling you those things so that you stay in your comfort zone. It's way blown out of proportion compared to what would really happen. Trust me, okay? So fight that anxiety and stop being shy.
Yo, Rob, you're gonna change the fucking game, man.
Listen, on everything, I watch you every day. I watch this man every day. His tips work on God. Like, the that you be talking about, bro, I listen to it every day, man.